Welcome back, and welcome to the unboxing video of the grinder. It's not that one, it's that one. It's a replacement for this grinder, Parkside grinder. As you can see, it's got a big chunk missing out of it. First fault I've ever had with the Parkside stuff, and I had it a little while because I hadn't unboxed it, but I'm doing a separate video on that if you want to know how I got away, well not got away, but got a replacement without a receipt. So I'll do another video on that, so that'll probably be the next video up. And just in case you ever have any Parkside stuff from Lidl's, what you lose a receipt to and it breaks down, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so let's go on with unboxing this one. I'll show you this box first so you can hopefully you can see the detail on there. That's the original, like I say, original box that comes in this box here. As far as I know, the numbers don't mean a lot on it compared to that, but yeah, we're just going to unbox it. I'll have a look inside. So it's a different box. So I say this was a replacement they've sent me. So I'm sort of grateful because I didn't have the receipt. I've lost the receipt. It was unlike me actually to do that, but I did it. So same packaging inside the box, just obviously it's not in the Parkside box. This is garden bits and pieces. I'll show you them in a second. Same here, more bits and pieces. I'll show you them in a minute. It's a bit blurred, isn't it? I think it's because there's so much white. Let's get this polystyrene off and give it something to focus on. Right, so they have just chucked it in the box by the looks of it. Like I say, it's not in a Parkside box, so you know, who knows who's packed it. Again, it comes with 2 lots of spare sandpaper, or belts I should say, sanding belts. Yeah, I think you got 120 on the machine, and you get a spare 80 and a 120. Always the other way around after. What's it say on the box? Try not to chuck it about too far. Try to put it in the box. I'll just chuck it over the workshop. Oh, 2 180s. Sorry, 2 80s and 1 120. So you have an 80 on here and an 80 and a 120. Right, let's get it out of the box and have a little look. It's out of the box. I haven't looked at it, you know, before. If it's out in the box, you know, that's about it. So that's the plastic off, obviously. Chuck it in there. Looks the same machine, different sticker. Obviously it's just Parkside on the other one, and the numbers are the same, but it hasn't got the numbers on that sticker. Yeah, it's all there what it's supposed to be. I'll tell you a little bit about it, what I've learned on the other one. This here, this screw here, I don't know where you can see it. I'm going to be a little bit low. Hold on, see if I can get a bit wow. There you go, see the top, that's better. Yeah, this screw here keeps it true. Here, this is your quick release for your belt. So you want to change your belt. The only thing I will say by the other one, by using the other one, I noticed that this is really rattly. But that's just how they are. And obviously this one's got 4 feet, and it has come with a spare foot again. I think I had a couple of spare feet with the other one, but obviously you can bolt down through there. I take it you can. Yeah, you must be able to bolt down through there. Because what I've done is took my feet off, so you take your feet off and then you bolt it down. The other one, I will say, even though it's got a bit broke off of it, once I took the rubbers off, it's fairly there, you know, stable. But obviously you really want to bolt them down for safety. So yeah, let's take the lead off. Take the lead out, I should say, back with the lead. you get a 2.5 metre lead. Keep moving that box. Oh, 2 metre lead. 2 metres, that's about 6 foot in it, roughly. You've had somebody comment and say, no, it's fixed 6'3", 6'2", something like that. I don't care. Reaches me plug. Well, he's literally there. So, right. Then you get your little stand bits and your bits to work off of, and your guard. I'll show you how to put them on next. Right, this is your guard, or your stand, I should say. I said guide, only guard. It's a stand to work on with your, I don't know, sharpening whatever, or grinding whatever. And that goes on here by your wheel. So we'll just chuck that on. It comes with like a coach bolt that goes into that. I don't know if you can see it, I might be too far away. But basically it just goes, the stand goes on there. Then the washer. There's a little star washer thing as well. I think you're supposed to put the washer the other side, but it doesn't. If you do it that way, it doesn't tighten up very well. You do it how you want to do it. This is how I'm doing it. I didn't do it like this at all in the other one, because it wasn't shown anyway. You should have about a 2mm gap there. Or, you know, so you've got a bit of clearance, obviously, from the stone. You have to. You just got to eye it up. As the stone wears down, you'll have to go in, move it in, obviously, because the gap will get bigger. And then you've got this other one here. Now you can put this one down here, or you can put it up here. Okay, it's quite straightforward. Right, make sure you fit this bracket for this one, stand I should say, on the inside of this lug what comes out. If you go to the outside, you won't be able to get it in close enough to the sandpaper, or the sanding belt. Okay, I'll just do that off camera and it's done. And you can put it here or here. Right, and that just leaves us, so you've got this bit, like I say, you can move. I will say, the one, the original one is perfectly level. This one, yes, you can see it's kinking up, and it's actually like the bracket's bent. But to be honest with you, I'm not too fussed. I'm sort that, you know, just a little bit of fiddling around, but it's nothing, you know, you can't sort out. So it's just a matter of fitting this now. The guard for the wheel. Right, there's a little spring washer that goes on the bolt. I don't know how well you better see that. We'll set screw wherever it is. Then the big washer goes on here. You line it up in the middle one, and you put the nut on the back, like so. Like an idiot, I just walked off with the screwdriver. Put it down somewhere. Right. Obviously tighten this up first. You need that off the wheel. Again, they say in the book it says sort of 2mm off your stone. I suppose it catches sparks as well coming that way. I suppose that's what the idea of it is. And then you've got your guard, one grinder. Apart from I've got to tighten that up, ready to go. So we should be. Oh no, we haven't done the white yet. So I'm going to plug it in and we'll fire it up and see what it does. Right, let's give it a go. Let's see. Where's my screwdriver? I walked off with it. I just need to up it more than what it is. So get some of these plastic bags out of the way as well. Right, so this is a replacement one, so you don't get the little sheet with it. Your warranty bits, I suppose it is, yeah, serial numbers and stuff like that. But you don't get your booklet with it or nothing like that. But like I say, do support, you know, everything else has come with the kit. Even that spring washer I think put on. Right, let's give it a go. Right, so this screw here centres that up. This is not, you can hear the noise coming from that, but it's not as rattly as the other one. Right, now always wear your safety goggles and all that stuff. Don't need to tell you that, do I? That's left a little sharp edge in there. That's as smooth as a baby thumb, that. So that's the unboxing of that. So that's a replacement. If you want to know how I got on with Lidl's and Parkside and that without a receipt for the broken one, look out for the video, it should be coming up next. Like sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up, all the usual sort of stuff, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.